I need you to know that your manifestation is moments away. In this video, we're talking about how to manifest instantly. How do you get those instant manifestations when people are manifesting money like this or instantaneous healings? How do we do that? And what's really behind it? Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Juliet Cleary. I'm a manifestation coach. And if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do so and give this video a thumbs up for me. If you would like to work with me, that information's in the description box below for you. Instant manifestation is an instant shift in energy. So when we think the things outside of us are so difficult to manifest or to change, or we can't have an instantaneous manifestation, you just got to bring it back to energy and realize that it's just an instant shift in energy. You make a big shift instantly in your energetic state, you will see that reflected outside of you. And that's how people have had instantaneous healings. Like sometimes during meditations, they come out of a meditation and something like a rash or a skin condition or some kind of condition gone. I had a client who manifested instantaneous healing of acne scarring. And then you have manifestations that come within, hours or in a day or two, which is pretty close to instant manifestation anyway. And that's what I've actually experienced very recently. When something manifests, it means you're ready for it vibrationally. You're ready for it. And so sometimes it seems like, it's an overnight success or it's an instant manifestation, but really there was preparation being done. Maybe you were elevating your energy, whether you did it on purpose or not, whether you realized it or not. And it led you to a moment where you had just a quick shift in a process you did, or a meditation you had, or an activation you did, which allowed an instant manifestation, an instant result to be seen in the physical world. And why this is possible is because everything exists right now. There are all different realities, all different potentials that exist in the quantum field that are accessible to us right here and right now. Everything exists right now. So that means if you have an instant shift in your energy and you connect with a different reality or potential in the quantum field, which exists here and now, that means instantly, with a click of your finger, you can move into that reality and be living that, be that person, have that instant manifestation. And there is no time in the quantum field. Time is not a factor. Only alignment of energy is ever a factor in manifestation. But your belief that it needs time, it needs to take time, can be a block for you. But when you understand physics, quantum physics, when you understand the quantum field and that there is no time and that everything exists right here and now, it's easy to understand that actually at any moment I could attract what I want, what I need, right? Your desire is just moments away. It's only a tweaking of energy. And oftentimes it's not this massive change, not this massive tweaking. There's been little tweaks leading up. And then there's just one pretty good tweak. And then boom, manifestation. So what you want is always moments away. This is how we manifest things that seem so far away or impossible, right? And I've experienced this in my life. And all it was just a tweaking of energy and boom, there it is. It always was there. It's just revealed to you because you're on the frequency where it exists and can be seen. It is visible on this frequency, so now you can experience it too. So here are 3 steps for you to have a fast manifestation. Number 1 is to formulate a new belief. A belief is just a thought that you think over and over. It's a thought that you practice over and over, whether you're conscious that you're doing it or not. And so how we get these limiting beliefs, right, in the first place, is from our environment, what's around us, the people around us, society, TV, whatever it is. So create an environment that encourages a new belief. So when 2 people spend a lot of time around each other, both of their brains start to look the same. They start to kind of act in the same ways. They start to talk in the same ways. They start believing the same. We're very co-creative and we're very affected by other people's energy. So if you put yourself in an environment where you're surrounded by a lot of people that you want to be like, or people who hold the beliefs that you want to hold, that is going to rub off on you. But you also have to spend less time around anything or subject or TV show or person that brings you back into the old beliefs, right? And that goes with your own mind. You have to kind of practice the old beliefs less, just feed them less, right? And practice something else that just feels a little bit better. A better feeling thought over time becomes a better feeling belief. And most people are not even willing to practice the better feeling thoughts enough to get to that better feeling belief, which eventually turns into a really positive belief and matches what you want. So focus on why you can have it, why it can happen. People who are manifesting things quickly, manifesting things that you want to manifest, success stories. Don't think about the subject when you're not feeling good, all right? So just really saturate yourself with positive things that encourage those beliefs that you want to have about this, right? To grow. You got to be willing to let go of the old story, the past story. The past is irrelevant. Let it go, right? The more you talk and you think about the past, you're affirming that and you recreate it. We want to have a new belief, right? So we want to put ourselves in the energy that positive belief can grow. That yes, I can have this thing. Yes, it can manifest quickly. I'm going to look for examples of people manifesting quickly, of even the science behind it, quantum field, right? Quantum physics, just things that back up what you want to believe. Step number 2 is to elevate. Now, long meditations will grant you access to the quantum field where all possibilities exist right now. And anytime really that you get into a state of relaxation, you slow down your brain waves, you're more in the present moment, you're out of survival mode, and you're more in creation mode. From here, now you can allow changes to happen within yourself. This is all about releasing resistance. And one of the fastest ways to release resistance is through meditation. Through the meditation, you can either completely surrender and just allow whatever to happen or to flow or the universe to step in. Or you could, when you get to those slow brainwave states, you're deeply detached and relaxed. You have access to your subconscious mind and access to the quantum field simultaneously. You could feel the emotions that you would be feeling if you had what you want. And as soon as you feel those emotions, you're connected to the reality, the potential in the field where you have that thing. And also just feeling elevated emotions, feeling good feeling emotions about anything, doesn't matter what you're doing or focusing on, more often, more of the time, puts you in that high frequency state where everything you want is. And downloads can happen, instant shifts, instant manifestations can happen. And I guess my client wasn't even in a long meditation. She was in like a meditation for a few minutes and she was able to instantly clear her skin. Basically, when you're feeling good, you're on the frequency where your desire exists. And so that's how it can flow in so effortlessly and quickly into your life. Third step is to surrender. Often we're trying so hard to manifest things that we're just blocking them. And it's really even like throughout your life, throughout your day, or during meditations or whenever, to remind yourself to surrender and let the universe jump in and do it for you. Surrender to your healing, surrender to your abundance, let it flow through you. Let the universe handle this. Let the universe step in and make the changes and gift you what you've been asking for instead of trying to control situations and change things and manifest things. Surrender, right? And sometimes when we give up and we surrender, that's when we have big shifts, big changes, because we're no longer pushing against things. We're no longer trying and struggling and suffering. We let go and boom, there it is. And it's the same thing during the meditations when people surrender, or during, some sort of, experience they're in nature or whatever, but basically in the present moment, and they surrender. And there's no resistance there, right? Just pure alignment, no resistance. That's when you can have the instantaneous idea, the manifestation, the change in your reality. Let me know if this helped you and how you go applying it in the comment section below. And if you did enjoy it, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. To work with me, that information's in the description box below, as well as the links to my other YouTube channels. Have a magical day, and I'll see you on the next one.